Hi guys, it's Marie here from Marie Gems, or aka Purple Print Creative here on YouTube. We are going to make Kyle a t-shirt, and his t-shirt is going to say, I'm here for two things, titties and dirt track racing. This was a design that he sent me. It's like, ooh, this would be a cute shirt for me. So we saved it. So I made the design here on Canva. We have it uploaded to our web software for DTF printer. I'm not going to go into too much tutorial. Now the top part here is your little like test lines just to get the printer going. I've already done my maintenance and everything to run it. So from here we are going to go hit the whip job. Now it's going to pull up these settings, which everything I already have it preset to everything I want to do. Mirror the image, of course, and my white layers is already down for DTF print. I'm going to hit print, and it's going to send it over to the actual printer. And once it's done printing, I will show you guys the print, put the powder and everything on it. We're going to stick it in the oven, and then as soon as that's done, we will take everything and put it on the shoot. So as you can see here, the printer is going. It is starting. It's going to do the little print lines first, and that just gives me a chance to view and see if it's printing correctly before it gets to the actual design. So we'll check back once it goes on a little bit. So as you can see, the little test lines is going. My white ink is printing, so we should be good for the actual design. It's starting to actually do the design now. You can see it over here on like the corner here, that the white is starting to go on the actual design. Oh, and there goes the rest of it. So once this is done printing, we'll take it over to the powder station and get it all set up to put the DTF powder on it. While that is printing, I just want to let you guys know I do make custom t-shirts or custom hoodies, sweatshirts, whatever y'all need. So I have a couple of designs here. Admit it, you'll miss me 6-7 times this summer. This at 7. I don't get enough credit for things I manage not to say, and memory recipes of when I give AF. My tolerance for people lasts this long. Guess what? This would be like the front design, and chicken butt is the back design. That would be really cute on a black shirt. I'm expensive all the time. Stop asking me when I'm free. So with that being said, I have a whole lot of different designs. If you are looking for a custom t-shirt, custom hoodie, sweater, anything custom from tumblers to t-shirts, Marie Gems is the place to go. Just put in your request, send me a sample image, I will design it and send you the proof of what it would look like before I print or press it. And that is one of the things we do here at Marie Gems / Purple Print Creative here on YouTube. And yeah, so that is some of the Marie Gems other products that we do outside of web design and branding, and now Pinterest marketing as well, and a kids listing come in. So I keep my DTF powder in here. Now, it might not look like a lot, but a little goes a long way. So what I do is I get some on the sheet. And carefully run the powder over the design, back and forth, Make sure it's all over. Make sure you get a flag, get the K, get it all the way down, racetrack, and then you just shake it off. Get excess off. And then once it's powder, we get it ready to go in the oven. I close this back up immediately and put this back up. My DTF oven is ready. So we're going to put the print in and press the button and let it go for 150 seconds. It's done. So we're going to carefully take this out without burning ourselves. We're just going to lay it over here on the shirt upside down. And now I'm going to turn off my oven and turn on my heat press to get it to the right temperature so we can get ready to press the shirt. First thing I'm going to do is get the moisture out of the shirt for a couple of seconds here. Lift it up. Now it's got a nice soft moisture-free pressing. I already have it ready. So now we're just going to put the print on the back of the shirt. So I'm putting this on the back form. And we're going to doing this with one hand, so let me try to get it lined up. Okay. Oh, forgot my sheet, my protector sheet. Do that. Now we're just going to let that press for 14 seconds. So it's done. I'm going to peel that off. So what that does is help push it into the fiber a little bit more. You can actually see like the texture of the shirt coming through into the design. That's what you want. So there's Kyle's shirt, the back of it. So we're going to let this cool before I peel it because my DTF prints are code transfer, so I'm just going to use my cooling block to kind of help cool it down a little faster. Let it cool down to the touch. We are going to start peeling it up. Doing this little by little. And doing this one-handed is not easy. Just go from a corner. Oops, turned my phone the wrong way. Okay, so there we go. Shirt is pressed. Now what I'm gonna do, I have some of the like Magic DTF spray here that helps set it in. So I'm just spraying it, and we're gonna press it one more time. Make sure it covers the design all the way. I'm going to press it one last time and then the shirt will be done. So here it is, the back of the shirt. And now I'm just going to fold this up and get ready to give it to Kyle for Father's Day. I would not be filming his reaction or anything since I'm trying to keep this page more of a professional page. So I'm trying not to show the family as much, but that's how I take a design and put it from design, DTF, powder, oven, and pressing it into a final product. So if you want more of these videos, just leave me a comment below. And if you are looking for custom t-shirts, be sure to check out mariejams.com and be sure to subscribe for future videos.